Wouldn't it be nice to have an all-natural sugar scrub? I can show you how. This only takes 4 ingredients and about 5 minutes to make. And you can have a nice sugar scrub for yourself or to give as gifts. Keep watching.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another DIY project. This time it's going to be a peppermint sugar scrub. So let's get started, shall we? So what all goes into our peppermint sugar scrub? 1/2 cup coconut oil, room temperature. 1/4 cup sugar. You can use cane sugar, granulated regular sugar. That's up to your preference. 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil. And 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. And you can make this any scent you want. It doesn't have to be peppermint. So we're going to go ahead and mix everything into a small glass bowl. So the first thing that's going to go into it is 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And you want it soft enough that you'll be able to mix it up, but not melt it and not at the solid state that it usually comes in. And then next, the 1/4 cup of sugar. And I have fine granulated sugar. If you use a coarser sugar, it'll be more exfoliating. So that's totally up to you. 1/4 cup sugar. Then I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And this is very quick and easy to make. You can make these as gifts. And it just takes a few minutes to mix one up. And 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil or whatever essential oil that you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and do 15. I want mine a little bit stronger. And then just go ahead and mix it up. And there you have it. Then you want to go ahead and just put it in a jar. And this has a shelf life of 2 months. You don't have to keep it in the refrigerator. You can just have it at room temperature. And if you like it a little bit grittier too, you can maybe add a little bit more sugar. And then you can go ahead and put a little bow on it, and we'll go ahead and give it a try in just a little bit. And here is the final product with a cute little bow and your label and ingredients. And Christmas is not that far off. It's not too soon to start thinking about Christmas gifts. This would be perfect. Make up a batch for your children's teachers, the mailman, any little gift that you need at the last minute. This would be perfect for that. So let's go ahead and see how well it works. Isn't that nice and smooth? Just take a little bit, and then you just rub it in. I can feel the sugar. And then I'm going to go rinse it off and see how nice my skin feels. It feels so nice and smooth. My skin over here is rough, and I've got, old wrinkly type skin, but this just makes it feel nice and smooth, and it smells really good too. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.